Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to manually install Photoshop CCX plugins on any Windows PC or laptop. It's a quick and straightforward process, so let's dive in. On my desktop, I have a CCX plugin I want to install. Initially, I tried to drag and drop it into Photoshop, but it didn't work. To manually install the plugin, start by closing Photoshop if it's open. Locate the CCX plugin file on your desktop, right-click it. From the menu, choose 7-zip. If 7-zip isn't installed on your PC, download and install it from the internet. Once 7-zip is ready, extract the plugin by selecting Extract Files and wait for the process to complete. After extraction, you'll find all the plugin files ready for use. Next, open this PC and navigate to the C drive. Inside, go to the Program Files folder and open the Adobe folder, where all Adobe software is installed. Find the folder for your Photoshop version, such as Photoshop 2022, and open it. Within the Photoshop directory, locate the Plugins folder and open it. Drag or copy the extracted plugin folder into this Plugins folder. If a prompt appears, click Continue to proceed. After this, launch Photoshop again. Once it opens, go to the Plugins section where you'll find the newly added plugin. Click on it and the plugin will load, which might take a few seconds. And there you have it. This is the simplest way to manually add CCX plugins in Photoshop on any Windows PC or laptop. Thank you for watching.